snow arrives in the mountains of Madrid. Aemet activates the yellow level due to snowfall this Monday. The warning is valid from 0000 to 12 o'clock with snow accumulations of up to 5 centimeters expected. The minimum temperatures will increase, although the maximum temperatures will decrease slightly and will reach around 9 degrees Celsius. The sky is expected to be cloudy or overcast, with a possibility of scattered fog in the highlands of the mountains, tending towards the north. The clouds will leave weak precipitation, which may occur locally in the mountains, with a possibility of snow, and will spread in the afternoon throughout the region. The wind will be light and variable. The temperature forecast in degrees Celsius in some locations in the region is as follows: Alcalá de Henares -1 and 10 degrees, Aranjuez -3 and 9, Collado Villalba 1 and 9, Getafe 3 and 9, Madrid 4 and 9, and Navalcarnero 1 and 9 degrees. Heavy snow covers the city of Leon and it will continue to snow in the next few hours. The forecasts were fulfilled and Leon was covered in snow, affecting mobility and leaving a wintry impression on the city and its surroundings. The declared Garoe storm did not take long to arrive in the capital of Leon and its metropolitan area, bringing with it the first heavy snowfall of the year to the city of Leon, which began to fall heavily this Sunday afternoon. A few hours ago, snowflakes began to cover the streets, parks and gardens of Leon, creating a white blanket that surprised locals and visitors alike. This meteorological phenomenon, widely followed on social media, has aroused both admiration and caution among citizens due to the adverse effects that snow can cause, especially on the roads. Images shared on Twitter by users show how snow is beginning to accumulate in the capital, as well as in Ponferrada. The people of Leon expressed their desire on the networks for the snowfall to continue overnight in order to enjoy a good layer of snow tomorrow. The weather forecast predicts snowfall from 5 p.m. on Sunday until 8 a.m. on Monday, with snow levels that could drop to 1,000 meters, even affecting high-altitude areas.